Hey Gregory, Bobby here with Rocky Mountain Web Design. Want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video today. I'm going to do a little bit of a competitor audit and show you what it's going to take to rank higher on Google against your competitors. I know right now you're in the middle of a website build on Wix, and I can definitely help out with the technical aspects. This video is going to be more on the marketing side and the things that we need to do to get you ranking onto that first page of Google. So again, we'll set up something later this week or next week to talk about the technical aspects. So today, what we're going to focus on is who is ranking up high in sandblasting and what do we need to do to get you higher than them. So I went ahead and did a quick Google search for sandblasting in Salt Lake City. This is just actually, if you scroll down, you would get the Google Map pack here and then the organic listings here. And you'll notice Wasatch Abrasive Blasting is #1 in the map pack, as well as #1 in the organics. So I picked them as one of the competitors to audit, and then I also picked Indelible Sandblasting from the Google Map pack, and then Blast Products Inc. actually have the next 2 spots in the organic side. So those are the 3 websites that we're going to audit today. Now, to rank high on Google, there are 3 main factors that Google takes a look at. The first being content, which simply put is the number of words on your website. We can take advantage of some of the things like the file names for images and some other things as well. But at the end of the day, if you go through, copy and paste all the words, that's what you're looking at. Google's recommendation is somewhere between about 1,000 to 2,000 words. That can depend on industry, area, and things of that nature. But again, that's their overall recommendation. We're also going to look at backlinks, which are authoritative websites that refer people and have a link on your website, sending them over to you. And then citations as well, which is basically a business listing for your business anywhere else on the internet, where it shows your business name, address, phone number, and your website URL exactly as you have it on your Google My Business listing. Think yellow pages, white pages, KSL, a lot of different things like that. So first we're going to take a look at is content. And here, again, Google's recommendation is between 1,000 to 2,000 words. So we can easily outrank your competitors when it comes to content. Wasatch Abrasive is at 151 words. Indelible Sandblasting at 283. And Blast Products is only at 400. Next is the backlinks. This is a little bit longer, takes time to develop those backlinks because, again, we want to make sure that we're getting good quality, authoritative links and not simply throwing things out there. Wasatch Abrasive is currently at 32, Indelible Sandblasting at 28, and Blast Products is who we want to beat out here at 161 backlinks. Again, all of these are very reasonable goals that we can meet within the next about 6 months or so, taking time on that. And then the last is citations. Again, those listings of your business. And Wasatch Abrasive has 44, Indelible has 26, and Blast Products has 24. Also, very doable goals that we can definitely meet. I know right now you don't have a website up and running, so we're looking at your Facebook page here. Google will take into account when it comes to ranking, your Facebook will show up. I went through that Google search and it didn't have you on within the top 10 pages. That's pretty standard for a Facebook page. So as we get your website up, our goal is to get you onto that #1 page. And again, we're going to do that through content, keywords, citations, and backlinks. So I really hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Otherwise, we'll set up something to talk a little bit more about the technical aspects to get you running up on Wix, either this week or next week. Thanks, Gregory.